Okay, so in this last video regarding just an intro to the cart designer with Pinnacle Cart's cart designer, we kind of went through these backwards. The first one started with the advanced tools and the fonts and colors, and no particular reason, just trying to keep things interesting. So in this one, we'll go through the skins. This is really straightforward. Obviously, you've chosen what sort of layout or skin you're going to use for your cart, and this is where you would do that. So you can change this on the fly once you've built your entire site. I mean, I could conceivably click here on this theme and it would activate that theme. The problem with that is it might not load the specific images that I've got. We've got custom images in the header and these kinds of things, so we might have to go back in and do all that stuff. But make sure that you start out of the gate with the template that you're going to use moving forward for a while. And here's where you would choose that skin. Pretty straightforward stuff. When you're starting out, before you have any products loaded, go ahead and obviously flick through all of them and see which ones you like. As you've noticed in the other tutorials, you can pretty much customize the look and feel of the whole thing anyway. So once you have kind of your overarching layout in place, this is a three-column layout with the 2 columns inside for the products. You know, you can start to reverse engineer that, so to speak, inside using the cart designer and make it a 2-column layout with four-column product displays in the center there. So you can pretty much customize this stuff as much as you like anyway. So go ahead and choose a skin, and then over on the images buttons, we've got edit site images and edit site buttons. So this is pretty straightforward. This is actually one of the pretty powerful tool with inside Pinnacle Cart, is that all of the main images on this specific template that I'm using now, I can edit from right here. I don't have to go into FTP and all this stuff. So you can simply upload your image. Pinnacle Cart gives you the size that you need. Go ahead, and there's the site slogan, your homepage image. Now you'll notice too, when we edit this original template, this Vista template, there's 3 columns. So but we happen to get rid of the right column, and then we just made our image take up that additional space that we were given. So we made it 749. I believe the original one's closer to 650 or something like this. So you can do the same thing too as you custom design your site. So here's where you can edit all these images. If you have no image, then we want to dump that in there. There's the cart image on the top bar. There's this little icon here and this little icon here as well. And then you've got your credit card, the CID or CVV code. You can edit this image here. So pretty self-explanatory stuff, straightforward. Once you're done, hit save, and it'll make those changes for you. And that's behind the Edit Site Images button, Edit Site Images. And now we've got Edit Site Buttons, which is really slick because we can change all the buttons throughout our site just from one location as well. Again, no need to jump in and FTP a bunch of stuff and get complicated. So you can obviously upload your own here and put them in wherever you like. And there's all these different buttons that you can go ahead and upload on your own. And obviously you can change the text here as well. So and then simply hit save. So and then on the boxes down here on the bottom left, this is where you start off when you come to the cart editor. And in this instance, we've got, we've got your cart, shop by brand, shop by screen size, your profile. These are all the boxes that we have on our page. We put in a custom TV Defender shipping, and we put in a little FAQ or a fact there, and then some common sense return stuff. So we created new boxes and put them on the site, and here's where you would do that. So you can put recently viewed, and all you're doing is dragging and dropping, right? Pretty straightforward. Then once something's over in place here, you can move it by simply grabbing it again and moving it up. So if we want to drop it there, we want to move it up, right? So really nice. Let's remove this one. Easy to use drag and drop interface on this for the cart designer. And you've obviously got all these different things you can put here. You can put a checkout wherever you like. If you want to create the new box, simply just left click on this link here, this one right here. It says create new box, and go ahead and create your new box. Give it a box ID, and you can dump in any HTML that you like. And then in another video, we'll show you how we built one of these custom boxes, but that's how you initially get there. And that's it. And we can show the right column or not, so we can create this layout that we've got here by getting rid of the right column that comes by default with this template. So pretty straightforward stuff. Go ahead and play with it. You can't break it. And make sure that you save everything and then hit exit when you're done. Thanks.